Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. What's going on here with the Spark drop? I really hope this isn't a glitch. XRP and Spark, over $48,699 Spark token. Doesn't sound to me like the real deal. This posted by a XRP1 here on Twitter. Of course, there are glitches that occur all the time. The cryptic poet down here, exchange can price it at whatever they want, but at the end of the day, it's up to the buyers and sellers to decide what it is worth. I imagine $1 is the default price to start with. Rich not even believing that it'll be $1. We don't know yet, guys. Now, Flare Networks did their snapshot for the Spark token airdrop that is going to happen in 2021. I know some of you guys were probably expecting your Spark tokens today. Today is December 12th. And although we are seeing, at least on this website or exchange, we are seeing a Spark token worth over $48,000, the fact of the matter remains that if we go to CoinMarketCap here and just type in Spark, we can see the Spark token for Flare Networks. The Flare Network Spark token that we are going to be receiving is not yet listed. So this project is featured as a untracked listing. However, they have already registered, I suppose, with CoinMarketCap and other websites in preparation for when they do finally airdrop that token. A lot of people here kind of confused about what's going on. So many people said XRP only pumped because of the Flare snapshot, and here we are holding strong above 50 cents. Next stop, $2 to $3. Yeah, let's go back to XRP for a second. Yeah, I know we have seen a bit of a drop off here, guys, over the last few hours. But I don't think that this is because, well, I mean, maybe some of it could be because people are selling XRP. The snapshot has now happened, so maybe they are just going to get rid of some of their XRP. I mean, to each their own, they can do what they want. But we are still in this accumulation phase for XRP. Let's not forget, we did reach this high up here of 79 cents. And we did come all the way back down here to about 45. So anything in this region, like if I put this on the daily, anything in this region is fair game for accumulation at this point in time. We haven't made any lower lows, okay? And even if we retrace back in this level, here we are, that would be healthy, okay? So even coming down here in the 46, 47 cent range, that would be still considered a healthy correction. Despite how you feel about the trend, that is just what the technicals are telling us at this moment in time. So yes, some downward momentum for XRP, but guys, it's not the end of the world. As you can see here, we have been basing in this level for a while now on the micro trend. If we look at the hourly, we can see we have gone down under this 0.236 level. But these are all zones, let's not forget. So, even if we, come down and around here, this is all fair game. It isn't until we get under that 45 cent mark that we should really take another look and see perhaps where XRP could move at that moment. But until then, we are still playing in this level here, nothing out of the ordinary, guys. This would be the time to accumulate more XRP if you are looking to accumulate more XRP. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, so you do what you want with your hard-earned money. I know what I'm doing with my hard-earned money. So we've also got this, guys, from the XRPSCAN. Flare Snapshot Ledger is at 60,155,580. Congratulations, Flare Networks, on this milestone. And here's a snapshot of the XRPSCAN. You can see the ledger index number here. With a lot more information on that, you guys can actually go to the website itself and check out to see if your address has been registered properly. Of course, some people wondering about this. Billy down here says, I missed the snapshot by mere minutes, thinking I was early. Iowa time. Is there any way I can still claim? Gunari asks, Flare Networks, is this still okay? Mine is the one that says account set. I've noticed all the others saying something else. Did I do something wrong, or is this fine? So a lot of people still have some questions with regards to this. How do I know if the snapshot works? Blind and Pregnant Cucumber down here says, can someone correct me if I'm wrong? Total amount on snapshot day was 60 billion. Does it mean that unclaimed 40 billion will be added proportionally between claimants? In other words, distributed FLR to XRP will be higher than a 1-to-1 ratio. So all this stuff has been explained in the Flare Networks FAQ section on their website. Now, I did do a couple of videos over the last little while. And if you guys take a look at this video here, I'll link it up here in the top right-hand corner, but I'm just going to show you guys this, the thumbnail of this video. I did this a couple of weeks ago, just in case you're better with visual cues. This will tell you exactly what's going to happen with the Spark tokens, where they're going to be deposited, when you're going to get them, how you're going to get them, if the snapshot worked or not. I also want to mention to you that the people who are, so we've been talking about the snapshot being on December 12th, and yes, that has already occurred, but I also wanted to bring this to your attention. So I saw this from a Decrypt article, and I knew this from before, but I should reiterate it. So this article was just out from yesterday. The number of XRP whales has hit an all-time high. They talk about that. They talk about research at Sentiment. What I wanted to talk about down here was this. On December 12th, Flare will take a snapshot of the XRP blockchain to determine who gets the tokens. Exchanges will claim the funds on behalf of their customers. So if you guys claim through an exchange, and I've got to give credit to XRP_Crow here at STEDAS on Twitter, these are the exchanges, of course, where you have had to have parked your XRP in order to be eligible, and I'm not entirely sure because I didn't have my cryptocurrency on an exchange. I claimed through the Ledger Nano. But if you guys did have your cryptocurrency, if you guys did have your XRP on one of these exchanges, chances are the snapshot occurred, everything's fine. These guys are going to take care of it for you. But I wanted to bring your attention to this down here. Exchanges will claim the funds on behalf of their customers, and those holding XRP in their own wallets must submit claims to Flare by June 11th, 2021. So from my understanding, and correct me if I'm wrong, there's even more time to claim your Spark tokens if you guys are self-custodying through a Ledger Nano S or X, which means that if you guys still don't have one, you can get one, and then you can claim your Spark tokens this way. I did a video here. I'll link that one up in the description, or rather in the top right-hand corner up here as well. And if you guys still don't have a Ledger and really want one, I do have an affiliate link in the description of this video. You can use the affiliate link if you want. Don't have to use it though. Just wanted to mention it in case you guys are still confused about that. And I gotta thank BANKXRP for posting this, because this is a great way to check up to see if your wallet is correctly set up for Flare Spark tokens. Check your claim for Spark tokens here, and he links to the flare.tools/Spark webpage. This is a webpage where you guys can put in your XRP wallet address, and yes, it is safe. You can put in your address and check to see if you guys are set up properly in order to claim your Spark tokens in case you're still having questions. WIETSEWIND, this should help with some questions you would ask. Another helpful way to check you are set up for the Flare airdrops via this infographic from STEDAS. Give him a follow, and that is STEDAS, of course, the guy who also created this infographic here. Give him a follow on Twitter, guys, if you guys aren't following STEDAS. Here is another resource for you, how to check to see if your Spark claim was done right. Go to BitHomp or livenet.xrpl.org and input your XRP address. Then click if there is Flare address added or account set message key. This is how you guys are going to be able to know if you do have an account set attached to your address. And so this is how the Flare networks will know down the road whose address was associated with the snapshot and who is eligible to claim XRP. So more resources here. I'm trying to put this all in one video for you guys so that you guys can check, right? Because it happened and it doesn't seem like anything is going on. I'm sure a lot of you guys still have questions. Murad Toomey down here, LOL, showed me invalid message key, Spark address not set, ha ha ha. I guess he failed, but if he is claiming with a Ledger Nano, he still does have time. Looks like a scam website to me, which it is not. Someone told me not to share your message key. Funny that this website finds it for you. If you can find it like this, then they will too, not taking the risk. BANKXRP reiterates, yes, never share your keys. This just looks at the public XRP address to verify Flare is enabled. And David Schwartz explained this as well to some people a little trepidatious of putting their XRP address into an unknown website. Basically, all that they are doing is they are associating a message key to your address. So nothing is being nothing is being tinkered with your address or with the technology behind the scenes. Nobody's hacking in. Nobody's going to get that information and use it to hack into your XRP. I know that tends to be the way people think about these kinds of technologies. You know, when it's over your head, it's all like, I can't put in any information because, all my XRP is going to get stolen or whatever. That's not going to happen, guys. Just be careful. Be sure that you're not giving information to fake websites, which can be difficult, I know. know there are a lot of scams in the space. Bank, do you know if the Spark coin will show under the XRP address or the Ethereum address? And BANKXRP responds, that's a good question. Unfortunately, I do not know the answer to that. Well, there is a lengthy description of where the Spark is going, guys. And again, this is the video where you will find that. Just wanted to mention that to you. Wrath of Kahneman here says, regarding Flare, there are no tokens Spark yet. Flare Networks isn't in production yet. It doesn't run on Ethereum. No ETH-SCAN will show it. ETH wallets won't hold it. Today's snapshot only recorded addresses to send it to when it drops in 2021. So ultimately, this is where we are. It was just the snapshot. It was just to see who is eligible for the Spark tokens. Down here, he says, to be more precise, today's snapshot recorded how much XRP is held in accounts for allocating Spark. McAttack down here retweeting his tweet in this thread. Snapshot equals XRP plus FLR plus DFLR or DAO-FLARE. The last step is to swap your DFLR for YFLR, Yield Flare, the official token of the FLRFINANCE ecosystem. I want to thank you in advance how smart this is. I participated. Unlocking value, Flare Networks, and FLRFINANCE. So ETH wallets won't hold it, you say. Which wallet on my ledger will keep the Spark tokens? I was under the impression it will be dropped in my Ethereum wallet. Thanks in advance. This coming from Leon here. Wrath of Kahneman responding, before Spark drops in 2021, the Flare wallet will need to be created. I do not believe one exists yet. You will be able to use the Ethereum generated snapshot address and key to claim the Spark in the yet to be released wallet at that time. So there are still more details that they're working out. And again, guys, I just want to bring this up again. I mentioned all this in this video if you want to take a look at that. I also wanted to bring up this WIETSEWIND tweet thread. This is to be expected. A lot of questions where people can see the Flare snapshot results. You can't. Flare Networks just took a snapshot. They basically took a picture, a snapshot, an export of all balances on the XRP ledger at a point in time. A snapshot of all balances for accounts with their message key set. Now we wait until they finish their own Flare blockchain tech and distribute the tokens there to be managed with a wallet that supports their new Flare network. So at Flare Networks announces more over time. And of course, if you feel the need to ask questions about Flare or Spark in this thread, read the content by Flare Networks at this link here. So guys, I will link this tweet thread in the description. Actually, I'll bring this up even because this was the document that I utilized for that last video that I was talking about. I'll bring this up and I will link this article in the description as well. They really covered everything you may want to ask. Read everything and didn't find the answer? Just ask Flare Network. So guys, they are available on Twitter. They are very responsive. If you guys have any questions, just tag them in a tweet at Flare Networks on Twitter. And so I just wanted to get back to this with regards to the FLRFINANCE system that McAttack was talking about. Here's a tweet from FLRFINANCE. In less than 24 hours, the Flare Network snapshot will take place and put in motion a chain of events that will forever change XRP history for the better. FLRFINANCE will continue this goal of unlocking value by delivering institutional-grade decentralized finance for all. So this is associated with the Flare Network snapshot and Spark tokens. 1 month after the main network launch of the Flare Networks, FLRFINANCE will snapshot all balances of those who hold FLR 7 to 10 days after our snapshot. You will be proud owners of both FLR and DFLR, so that's DAO-FLARE. But wait, you must go one step further to begin interacting with the FLRFINANCE ecosystem. The last step is to swap your DFLR or YFLR, the official token of the FLRFINANCE ecosystem. Once swapped, endless potential awaits. P.S. Don't forget to join into our bounty program on bounty.flr.finance. This will lead into our ambassador program and then the beta program. So there are more opportunities here, guys, for Spark token hodlers. Just wanted to mention that to you. Some people questioning what this is. FLRFINANCE is a DeFi platform. This coming from Mickey B. Fresh, by the way. So it's a DeFi platform built on top of Flare Networks. It is independent of Flare Networks, and FLRFINANCE is first DeFi applications that use smart contracts to earn yield, trading, loans, and insurance in non-custodial ways. Open minds to apps, and he links a couple of screen grabs here from FLRFINANCE's from a document from FLRFINANCE, and also links the article in here as well into this tweet thread. So I will also link this if you guys are interested in that. Of course, this is all a chain of events. Spark tokens are first, but there is lots in the way of DeFi. The potential for these cryptocurrencies to really change how values transfer and really change how we're going to be able to transfer value. New products are coming out, and the whole economic ecosystem is changing. Cryptocurrency is at the center of it. The FLRE networks, FLRFINANCE, and of course XRP are going to be some of the moving parts that make the world run more efficiently, more economically through cryptocurrency technologies. And just to get an understanding of the sheer magnitude of how big this market is going to get, so if you were skeptical about your Spark tokens and thinking to yourself, you know what, I'm just going to sell them once I get them. I don't need this. XRP is going to moon and I'll be fine. And now there's this other thing coming up, the FLRFINANCE thing, and how they are offering their own snapshot with regards to their system. I know today this might sound very confusing and maybe not even that interesting to you, but I wanted to bring up this tweet here, guys. This brought to me by MARTINCPVALK. Originally, he tagged me in this tweet, but this is Raoul Pal, okay? Raoul Pal posted this tweet thread where he says a few things to make you think. If Bitcoin is the digital pristine collateral, the size of global government bond market is 123 trillion. Pretty amazing opportunity for Bitcoin. The size of the global custody system is 23 trillion. That will accrue to Bitcoin and more likely maybe Ethereum. The settlements layer is over 4 quadrillion per annum, probably Bitcoin and Ethereum and other blockchains, including private ones. The derivatives layer is another 1.2 quadrillion, feels more like Ethereum and BTC as the dominant player. Total equities traded per annum globally is around 70 trillion. Tokens are more likely Ethereum and other protocols. Total size of the FX market transactions per annum is 1.7 quadrillion BTC, ETH, XRP, etc. So again, this just giving you guys a sense of the size of these markets. And, even though he mentions BTC and ETH, we are going to see many cryptocurrencies and many cryptocurrency projects succeed in this emerging marketplace. I have no doubt that XRP is going to be one of them, especially when we're seeing, new utility being derived from the XRPL, for example, the FLRE Networks project. So guys, don't underestimate this thing. Of course, sell some cryptocurrency at the height of this bull run, but never sell it all. That's just my opinion. I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.